How to delete Amazon Jobs account. Now this is really simple. First things first, you want to navigate through the website right here, which is amazon.jobs/en. From here you can just scroll all the way down, and basically you can also go ahead and do this method on your mobile devices. From here you want to navigate through the privacy and data, and right after clicking on it, you want to select the right region or country. From here, you can just go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you want to navigate through this specific email address right here. So all you have to do is to go ahead and go through your email account, and from there you have to explain to them that you want your Amazon Jobs account deleted. You want to go ahead and send that message to this specific email address right here. So you want to check this from time to time because they're more likely to update their email addresses. And so if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.